Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be walking you through 3 critical steps to landing a remote job, what most applicants overlook, how to stand out in a crowded job market, and how to increase your chances of getting hired. If you are coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and click on the notification icon so that you will be notified whenever I share a new video. In this channel, I release regular updates and tips on how to make money online and become more effective in online platforms. Now let's get into the topic in more detail. Remote work has completely changed the way people think about jobs, careers, and even income. A few years ago, working from home was considered a privilege reserved for only a few professionals. Today, companies across the world are hiring people they may never meet in person, as long as those people can deliver results. However, despite the growing number of remote job opportunities, many people are still struggling to land one. Not because remote jobs do not exist, but because most applicants are approaching remote job hunting the same way they approach traditional office jobs. The truth is this: remote jobs follow different rules. Remote employers are not just looking for qualifications. They are looking for people who can work independently, communicate clearly, manage their time effectively, and produce results without constant supervision. They want people who understand how remote work operates and can fit seamlessly into a distributed team. This is why simply submitting applications randomly or copying resumes from the internet rarely works. In this video, I am going to walk you through 3 critical steps that will help you understand what remote employers truly look for and how you can position yourself as a strong candidate, regardless of your location, background, or experience level. If you understand and apply these steps correctly, you will move from just hoping to get a remote job to strategically positioning yourself to get hired. Step 1. Build a remote-ready skill set. Before you ever think about applying for a remote job, you need to understand one very important thing. Remote companies pay for value, not presence. In a traditional office job, sometimes your physical presence can mask inefficiency, but in remote work, your output is what speaks for you. This is why having a remote-ready skill is the foundation of everything else. A remote-ready skill is any skill that allows you to solve problems digitally and deliver results online. These skills are usually performed using a computer, an internet connection, and specific tools. Examples include writing, designing, managing online platforms, supporting customers, analyzing data, or building digital products. What matters most is not the number of skills you have, but how well you can perform one valuable skill. Many people make the mistake of trying to learn multiple skills at the same time. This often leads to confusion, burnout, and slow progress. Instead, choosing one skill and focusing deeply on it allows you to build confidence and competence much faster. Another important aspect of building a remote-ready skill set is understanding the tools used in remote environments. Remote companies rely heavily on digital tools for communication, collaboration, and task management. Becoming familiar with tools like email platforms, project management software, shared documents, and communication apps makes you more attractive to employers. In addition to technical skills, remote work also demands strong personal discipline. You must be able to manage your time, meet deadlines, communicate clearly, and solve problems without being constantly supervised. These qualities are not optional, they are essential. Once you have a skill you can confidently offer and the discipline to work remotely, the next challenge becomes how to present yourself in a way that attracts employers. Step 2. Create a strong remote-friendly profile. Having a skill alone is not enough. If employers cannot clearly see what you can do and how you can help them, they will move on to the next candidate. This is why creating a strong remote-friendly profile is a critical step in landing a remote job. Your resume, portfolio, and online profiles act as your digital introduction. They must clearly communicate your value within seconds. Remote recruiters often review hundreds of applications, so clarity and relevance are extremely important. A remote-friendly resume focuses less on job titles and more on outcomes. Employers want to know what problems you solved, what results you achieved, and what tools you used to achieve them. Even if you do not have formal work experience, you can still demonstrate your ability through personal projects, practice tasks, or volunteer work. Your portfolio plays a major role in building trust. It shows evidence of your skills rather than just claims. A portfolio does not have to be complicated or expensive. What matters is that it clearly shows examples of your work and explains your process. Your online presence is equally important. Many remote employers will search your name or review your professional profiles before contacting you. A clear headline, a professional photo or logo, and a well-written summary that explains what you do can significantly improve your chances. The goal of your profile is simple: to make it easy for an employer to understand how you can contribute remotely. Once your profile accurately reflects your skills and value, the next step is knowing how to put it in front of the right opportunities. Step 3. Apply strategically and position yourself for visibility. After building a valuable remote-ready skill and creating a strong remote-friendly profile, the next challenge is actually getting noticed by employers. This is where many people lose momentum. They assume that once their resume and portfolio are ready, jobs will automatically come their way. Unfortunately, that is rarely how remote hiring works. Landing a remote job is not just about applying. It is about applying with intention, clarity, and strategy. Remote roles often attract applicants from all over the world, which means competition can be intense. Because of this, employers are not impressed by applicants who submit generic applications or send the same message to every company. What they are looking for are candidates who understand their needs and can clearly explain how they will add value. This is why the way you apply matters just as much as the skill you have. When applying for remote jobs, it is important to focus on quality over quantity. Instead of applying to dozens of roles every day, take time to carefully read job descriptions and identify positions that genuinely match your skills. A well-targeted application that speaks directly to an employer's problem is far more effective than multiple rushed applications. A strong remote job application clearly connects your skill set to the company's goals. It explains how your experience can help solve specific challenges. Employers want to feel confident that you understand the role and that you can work independently without constant guidance. Another critical part of this step is understanding where to look for legitimate remote jobs. While many people rely only on popular job boards, remote opportunities often exist in niche platforms, company career pages, and online communities. Companies that hire remotely frequently post roles in spaces where remote professionals already gather. Beyond job applications, visibility plays a huge role in remote hiring. Many people underestimate the power of being visible online. Remote employers often search for talent instead of waiting for applications. When your online presence clearly communicates what you do and how you help, opportunities begin to come to you. This is where professional networking becomes extremely important. Networking in the remote workspace does not mean asking strangers for jobs. Instead, it involves engaging in conversations, contributing value, and building professional relationships over time. This can be done by commenting thoughtfully on industry posts, sharing insights, participating in discussions, or helping others with useful information. When people recognize your name, understand your skills, and see your consistency, trust begins to form. And trust is one of the biggest factors in remote hiring. Another important aspect of this step is follow-up and persistence. Many applicants give up after one rejection or no response. In reality, remote job hunting often requires patience and continuous improvement. Each application, interview, or rejection is an opportunity to refine your approach. Successful remote professionals treat job searching as a process, not a one-time event. They review what worked, adjust what didn't, and keep showing up. When you apply strategically, build visibility, and stay consistent, you move from being just another applicant to becoming a recognizable and trusted professional in the remote space. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've covered in this video. Landing a remote job is not about luck, location, or knowing the right person. It is about intentionally preparing yourself for how remote work actually operates. When you understand the system, you stop feeling stuck and start making progress. Remote work is one of the most powerful opportunities available today. It gives you flexibility, global exposure, and the ability to earn without being limited by geography. But like anything valuable, it requires effort, learning, and persistence. If you are serious about working remotely, don't just watch this video, apply what you've learned. Start where you are, improve step by step, and stay consistent. I hope you learned something valuable from this video. If you did, feel free to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.